Life is too short for bad food, and whenever you think of food, think yummy cash. Hey yummy, welcome to today's video. Today we are doing this flavorsome, inviting spaghetti stir fry, which you are going to love it. I'm Yummy Cash, and you're welcome to this channel. So, to take you through the ingredients I'll be using, I'm going to be using some ham, some ginger, carrots, paprika, onions, oil, and I'm going to list all the ingredients I used in this recipe down in the description so that you can also try your hands on. And I'm going to be using some spaghetti, and this is the #1 spaghetti I found, and it is the tiniest. In fact, I just love it. And I have my spices too here. Once again, as I said, all the ingredients will be listed down in the description. So let's get into it. Yummy cash. So in the wok or in your saucepan, I am adding in some garlic oil. Now, this garlic oil we made on Monday, so the video is down in the description where you can also make yours at home. Or better still, you can buy it in any shops. And I'm going to break in my tiny spaghetti. Well, you can use any spaghetti at all, but this is the tiniest and I so much love it. It is #1. So as I said, I'm going to break the spaghetti into two and then start frying it in the oil. And I must say, the method of frying spaghetti easily gets burnt. So I advise that when you are doing yours at home, kindly don't leave it unattended to. Make sure to be stirring at least 30 seconds interval. And also, when doing it, the 1 spoon was not helping, so I had to use 2 spoons, perforated spoon, to be turning the spaghetti around so that it doesn't get burnt. Hey yummy, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If today is the first time on this channel, kindly go through most of the videos, and if it interests you to join this wonderful family, I would say kindly subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my amazing videos coming out. Now, the spaghetti is brown in color and I like it. Add in some water and then allow this to cook. But before allowing it to cook, make sure you stir it a little bit and add in some salt to taste. You can see the water I added was not too much. This is because my spaghetti is very tiny, as I said in the beginning of the video. But then, when your spaghetti is a little bigger than mine, kindly add in enough water to help cook the spaghetti completely. Now, from time to time, I'll keep checking it and stirring it so it is well cooked, and then I'll take everything out from the wok. After taking everything out from the wok, what I did behind camera is to wash the spaghetti with cold water so that it doesn't stick together. Already it won't really stick together because of the oil we added in the beginning of the video. But then rinsing your pasta or spaghetti stops the cooking process and also helps wash away the starchy film on the spaghetti. Now after rinsing it, set it aside and add in some oil to your wok, and I'm still using the garlic oil, and then I'll add in some chopped minced ginger. I'm not going to be adding in garlic because of the garlic oil, but when you are using raw oil, feel free to add garlic. I'll then add in the ham, onion, and the fresh pepper which has been chopped. Now with the ham, you can use any protein at all that you have, be it beef, chicken, anything at all. I feel and I deem it right to use ham in this video. Now I'm going to be frying this on a medium heat for 3 minutes. Now within these 3 minutes, I'll keep checking it and giving it a good stir so that it doesn't get burnt. Throw in some chopped carrots and then make sure to mix it very well. So this thing has been frying for 2 minutes, and I'll go ahead and add in the spices that I'm using. I'm not going to be using any soy sauce because of the turmeric and the curry powder spice that I added. That is going to give us the vibrant, beautiful color. You want to make sure to fry this for at least 2 to 3 minutes and then add in your spaghetti. At this stage, I bet you 1 spoon cannot do the work alone. I tried using tongs, but it wouldn't help. So try using 2 perforated spoons, and then it is going to be very easy for you to do it. Hey Yummy, thank you so much if you have reached this point and you're still watching it. Why don't you share this video out for family and friends, and also leave me a comment in the comment section if you have any question or anything. I'll be so much glad to reply to you. Now fry this for 4 to 5 minutes and make sure to be stirring occasionally. When I say occasionally, I mean, let's say every 45 seconds, come back and give this a stir. This recipe is so fast to make and so yummy. You can eat it your way because you know it is hot for hot people like you. Add in the paprika, and I'm using red, gold, green. Oh yes. And then mix it. Mix the food with passion. Taste for salt, and if the salt is not enough, add some to it, and oh my god, the flavors of life are just a bit away. You can add in some garlic powder and then mix it very well. In life, there is recipe for every life. The good food experience, you can always get it on Yummy Cash. Kindly hit the subscribe button if you have not. At this point, we are going to be adding in our onions, which is the last thing to add whilst your heat is off. Mix it and serve yourself. Trust me, this is so good. You will try eating it with your eyes. I'm Yummy Cash, and thank you so much for watching this video till this end. I'm going to see you in my next video. But before I leave you, always remember to do everything in love. See you again in the next video, which you are going to love it. And don't forget, the best place to eat is where the chef loves to cook. Cheers!